The Tennessee Department of Education and the Tennessee Behavior Supports Project, also known as TBSP, at University of Memphis, Lambeth, Vanderbilt University, and University of Tennessee, Knoxville, are proud to have the opportunity to recognize schools throughout the state that have gone above and beyond for their students. The School of Recognition and Model of Demonstration School process is constructed to acknowledge schools for successful implementation of Response to Instruction and Intervention for Behavior, or RTI²B. There are nearly 1,800 schools across the state of Tennessee, and each year a small percentage of them meet criteria to earn this recognition. Applicants have received training and technical assistance provided by TBSP and have undergone the process of implementing a positive and proactive behavioral systems framework for all students. The RTI²B framework consists of the following: identifying common behavioral expectations across campus, and teaching, reteaching, reinforcing, and regularly acknowledging students, faculty, and families for exhibiting these expectations. Guided by data, teams progress in the implementation process by developing supports for groups of students with similar behavioral needs. Then, to address those students with more intensive behavioral needs, individualized supports are developed. Schools of Recognition are the first level of distinction awarded by Tennessee Behavior Supports Project. School teams are committed to creating positive school climates and to shaping their environments to be places where students can be successful. Select schools meet the criteria to move forward in the application process to become a model of demonstration school. There are 3 levels of distinction within our model of demonstration schools process. Schools that have been designated as a bronze level are implementing Tier 1 with high fidelity, as evidenced by Tier 1 implementation manuals, historical office discipline referral data, evidence that they have regular meeting operating procedures, and their rating on fidelity measure. Schools that have been designated as a silver level not only have these practices in place for Tier 1, but they have also shown high fidelity of implementation of Tier 2 interventions and practices. Finally, our highest honor is the gold level of distinction, which indicates that these schools have implemented all 3 tiers with high fidelity, layering in a system to support individualized needs of students through functional behavioral assessments and behavior support plans without losing sight of refining and fine-tuning their school-wide framework for all tiers. It is TBSP's goal that no school in Tennessee should have to travel more than 45 minutes to see an exemplary school implementing RTI²B. This identification promotes schools highlighting their practices, serving as examples of how the framework is being implemented, and sharing their insights into the ways they've overcome barriers and experienced firsthand being champions of change. We are proud to have so many districts and schools implementing RTI²B in Tennessee. Please join us in celebrating these distinguished schools that have applied this framework to improve the climate, culture, and proactive disciplinary practices directly impacting student engagement and school connectedness.